October 15th, West Orange. Multiple law enforcement agencies fire shots, killing 32-year-old Army veteran Jeremy Culp. The family says Culp suffered a PTSD episode before leading law enforcement officers on a chase that came to a tragic end on a sidewalk near West Orange Stark Middle School.
And as officers began to approach, the suspect picked up the gun and pointed it at the officers. Officers engaged and the suspect was shot.
A little more than a month prior, on September 4th, the Orange County Sheriff's Office says a deputy was forced to shoot and kill a man known for having mental health issues. Beaumont PD Sergeant Cody Guidry is a certified mental health officer.
We have seen an uptick in calls for service involving people that are emotionally disturbed.
According to the statistics posted on the City of Beaumont website regarding the police department, in 2022 calls coded mental subject, 663 calls were taken that year, and in 2023 the call coded mental subject increased to 1,164 calls. That's 501 more calls in just 1 year.
What we also have seen an uptick in is what we call EDOs, emergency detention orders. It's where an officer commits someone into the hospital to be evaluated.
Garrett Craver is the administrative director at Baptist Behavioral Health Center.
So every law enforcement officer in Texas gets crisis intervention training now, which is something that has been very beneficial. But that only kind of touches on the tip of the behavioral health.
Sergeant Cody Guidry agrees.
You know, back in the academy, you had 40 hours of crisis intervention training, which really isn't just enough.
Spindletop MHMR provides more extensive training for mental health law enforcement officers and mental health professionals who work with police.
We found that whenever you pair an officer and a clinician together, you see really good results.
We want to make sure that people get the necessary help that they need so they can avoid future contacts with law enforcement.
And avoid outcomes like the one in West Orange that claimed the life of a man who family members say served his country with honor. Erica Harris reporting.
There is a bill currently held up in Congress that would provide more funding for training mental health officers.
If you or a loved one need mental health care, contact the Beaumont VA Clinic 409-981-8550 or TAN Healthcare. That number 409-832-8338.